What up, everybody? This is Carlos, the Texas Squeegee, and I'm back. Back again in the Tint Lab with Texas Tint Masters and our Houston location shop. So this is a brand new Chevy Z06 Supercharged Corvette that we just got in the door. We're doing computer cut tint on it. On the two front windows, we're gonna do the 30%, which is your Texas legal. On the back windows, we're doing a 20%, so it's a little bit of a shade darker, but on the outside, it's gonna have an even look without it being too light on the back. So we're about to get started on this, and you're about to see what the best tint shop is gonna do to this top of the line, awesome, badass Chevy Corvette. That's it for this one, but before we take it outside, we're gonna measure the heat performance on that side and see side by side before no tint and then with ceramic tint. Test. This is the after once it's already been tinted. Now I'm gonna set it out here like I did before, and then we're gonna put that meter on there. You see right there, that's a much lower number than the two. So that's a big difference ceramic tint makes, which is gonna be good for this car because this car has this leather type interior, which gets really hot in the summer times or on hotter climate, so this is going to help out. And since it's ceramic tint, it's going to last him about 10 to 15 years, so he's good for a long time. something like this done, visit us at our website at texastintmasters.com to keep watching more content from the best tint shop and the best tint channel on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel down below. Drop your comments and questions. Let us know if you guys want to see us do a car or if you have any questions in regards to the tint. This is Carlos at Texas Squeezy signing off, and I'll see you on the next one.